see here, once you open the application, we'll ask for connection request. Pretty much want to get you connected right away. So you can just tap on OK, and the VPN connection will be connected in real time. As you can see here, it's already connected, and you only get 3 minutes of connection time, and you need to add 5 minutes of connection time down here as well. The VPN speed is pretty much normal, not very fast, not very slow, normal speed. And you can always go ahead and use the speed test option to test the speed. So if I do go back, I'll be able to go in the server section here, and here's pretty much only United States servers. As you already know, I've reviewed a bunch of these VPNs, and they're pretty much the same. The only thing that's really pretty much different from these VPN applications is that some of them might be a bit faster than some, and they have a different layout, different UI, and a different name. That's pretty much the only thing that's with these VPN applications here. So once you're connected, you can as well go ahead and add time if you want. Once the timer is finished, you're going to get disconnected. So you're gonna have to keep watching ads, adding 5 minutes, watching ads, adding 5 minutes if you want to stay connected to this VPN. So that's really pretty much it. But anyways, if I miss anything, let me know in the comment section. See if we can have a look. See you in the next one.